Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Wristwatch Wednesday. This one we have a unique one. We haven't seen one of these across the desk either. Another fashion watch. A lot of you will probably turn your nose up at the fashion watch, but that's okay. This one is an Armani Exchange. Beautiful leather band. Look at that band. Absolutely beautiful. Two-tone. Bezel is a gold, almost a rose gold, I would call it. Just a little bit of a different gold tone to that with the silver on the backing. Nice gold crown, a couple gold pushers for the Chrono, nice screw-on back. Original watch band that came with it with the Armani Exchange logo. Pretty easy to do a battery change on that. I didn't film any of that. You can look at any of my other screwback videos and pretty much figure out how to do that one. Let's get some specs on this watch. This one is nice. Oh, look at that. That's a nice big case, almost a 45, 44 and a half. Let's go lug to lug on this one. Lug to lug, we are talking about another 45. Case thickness, we're talking about a 12. And let's go lug width. We're talking about 21.76 millimeters. So that is definitely a substantial watch. Beautiful blue dial. It does have the Chrono feature. So we can see we hit our button, and here's our 60-second timer right down here. We can stop this one, boom, and then we can reset with this bottom button. Now you may notice that one doesn't look like it's on 0. So let's see if we can figure out how to fix that. Let's see what we got for a crown here. We got one position, we got two positions. So let's do one position out on the crown, and then let's hold this button in. Nope, nothing. Let's do, oh, we started in our Chrono, so let's hold this button in. Nope. Okay, so let's go out two positions on the crown. Hold the, oh, there we got our clicks. See, we clicked that individually. See how it moved at 1 second at a time? So I think we're good there. Let's look at these other dials on what we have. I haven't looked at this one real close yet. Not sure what this one is here yet. May have to look that up. There's a 10 and a 20. That's probably a minute timer, I'm going to guess, for the Chrono. And then over here we have like an hour in the day. So if we're close to 1500, that's going to be on the 15. So looks like we are zeroed. So zeroing out on this one, just to repeat, if you have one of these Armani Exchange watches, pull it out to the second position, all the way out on the crown, and then hit your bottom pusher to adjust your hand and get it where you want it. It does have a date window. Just beautiful watch. Look at these gold hands, gold second hand, always ticking. Some of these Chronos, they'll use the second hand as the Chrono timer and then have a second hand in the dial. This one's actually the opposite. So beautiful watch. Really, that's all we have for this on this one today. Just a quick overview. Not seen one of these before. We're going to go ahead and get some close-up shots on the wrist like we always do, and so stay tuned for that. Another episode of Wristwatch Wednesday wrapping up. Check the playlist. We have tons of watches on here. A lot of these go in collection. A lot of these go for sale. This one's probably going to go for sale or be given as a gift. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. But check it out. We got a lot out there. Also, check out the Fix It videos and see what we're doing on that front. That's all we got for today, guys. Stay tuned for those close-ups and shots on the wrist, and we will see you next time.